So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of our Indian Geography series. In this video, we will continue covering the remaining important concepts along with extra details. Make sure you watch the video till the end and download the PDF from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And if you are enjoying this series, don't forget to like, share, hype and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So the question number 1, which soil type covers the largest total geographical area in India, roughly 40%, and is formed by alluvial deposition? Option number A, alluvial soil. Alluvial soil covers approximately 40% of India's land area, predominantly found across the northern plains and coastal river deltas. And Bhangar refers to older, less fertile alluvial soil containing calcareous deposits known as kankar, and Khadar refers to new highly fertile alluvial deposits found along the active river floodplains that renews every year. Alluvial soil is rich in potash and lime but characteristically deficient in nitrogen and organic matters humus. Red soil is the second most extensive soil type in India, occupying vast areas of peninsular plateau. Question number 2. Black soil, also known as Regu soil, is known for its high moisture retention capacity. Which crop is most extensively cultivated on it? Option number B is the correct answer, cotton. Black soil or Regu soil is derived from the weathering of basaltic lava rocks across the Deccan Trap region. It is widely known as the black cotton soil because it provides ideal condition for rain-fed cotton cultivation. Black soil exhibits self-flowing characteristics, developing deep wide cracks during summer that aid soil erosion. It is rich in lime, iron, magnesium and alumina, but lacks nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh hold the largest concentration of black soil in India. Question number 3. Which type of natural vegetation covers the largest percentage of total forest area in India? Option number C is the correct answer, tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest, also known as monsoon forest, cover nearly 65% of India's total forest area. These forests are divided into moist deciduous and dry deciduous. Teak and sal are the two most economically valuable timber species obtained from tropical deciduous forest. Trees in this forest shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during the winter and early dry summer to conserve moisture. Tropical evergreen forests occur in high rainfall zones such as the Western Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar and Northeast India. Question number 4. The Sundarbans mangrove forest, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is named after which dominant tree species? Option number D, Sundari or Heritaria forms. Sundari tree is the characteristic littoral species after which the Sundarbans Delta region is named. Mangrove trees feature specialized aerial roots called pneumatophores, breathing roots to absorb oxygen in saline, waterlogged soils. Sundarbans is the largest contiguous mangrove forest ecosystem in the world, shared between the India and Bangladesh. Mangrove acts as a natural coastal defense barrier against the intense cyclone storm surges and tidal erosion. Bhitarkanika in Odisha is the second largest mangrove forest ecosystem in India. Question number 5. The Indira Gandhi Canal, one of the world's longest canal networks, originates from which barrage in Punjab? Option number A, Hadike barrage. Indira Gandhi Canal, Rajasthan Canal, originates at the Hadike barrage at the confluence of the Satluj and Beas rivers. The canal stretches over 650 km, transforming tracts of western Rajasthan, Thar desert, into fertile cropland. Gang Canal, constructed by Maharaja Gang Singh of Bikaner in 1927, was the first major canal projects in Rajasthan. Canal irrigation is most heavily developed in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana due to perennial rivers and flat terrain. Over irrigation via canals can cause severe soil degradation through salinization and waterlogging. Move on to the next question, question number 6. Which state in India has the highest net area irrigated by tube wells and ordinary wells combined? Option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh leads India in total area under tube well and well irrigation, accounting for over 28% of the nation's total. Wells and tube wells combined constitute the largest source of irrigation in India, over 60% of net irrigated area. Tank irrigation is the predominant traditional method of irrigation in South India, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh due to rocky terrain. Unregulated groundwater extraction via deep tube wells has led to a steep decline in the water tables across Punjab and Haryana. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sincha Yojana was launched with the motto Har Khet Ko Pani and more crop per drop. Question number 7. The Vakranangal multipurpose project built across the Satluj river creates which famous artificial reservoir? Option number C, Govind Sagar Lake. Vakra Dam is a concrete gravity dam constructed across the Satluj river in Himachal Pradesh. Govind Sagar Lake is the large artificial reservoir created by the Vakra Dam, named after the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. Vakranangal is a joint multipurpose venture of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Nangal Dam is situated 30 km downstream of Vakra Dam to store water and direct it into the Nangal Hydel channel. Tehri Dam on the Bhagirathi river in Uttarakhand is the tallest dam in India, 260.5 meters. 8. Hirakud Dam, recognized as one of the longest earth-filled dams in the world, is constructed across which river? Option number D, Mahanadi River. Hirakud Dam spans across the Mahanadi River near Sambalpur in the state of Odisha. The main dam structure stretches 4.8 km, while the overall dam complex with dikes extends over 25 km. Damodar Valley Corporation (DVC), established in 1948, was India's first multipurpose river valley project modelled on the USS Tennessee Valley Authority. So the Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada River in Gujarat, supplying water to Gujarat, MP, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on the Krishna River along the border of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Very important. Question number 9. The traditional practice of shifting cultivation, known locally as jhuming, is primarily practiced in which region? Option number A, Northeastern Hill region. Jhuming is a traditional form of slash and burn shifting agriculture practiced by indigenous tribal communities in Northeast India. The same shifting cultivation practice is known as Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bewar and Dhaya in MP and Kumari in Western Ghats. Shifting cultivation leads to widespread deforestation, soil erosion and biodiversity loss due to shortened fallow cycles. Terrace farming is practiced along steep Himalayan hill slopes to reduce soil runoff and retain moisture. Subsistence agriculture dominates Indian farming, where farmers grow crops primarily for consumption rather than trade. Terrace farming is practiced along steep Himalayan hill slopes to reduce soil runoff and retain moisture. Question number 10. The Kharif cropping season in India coincides with which climatic phase? Option number B, onset of southwest monsoon, June to October. Kharif season crops are sown in June-July with the onset of monsoon rains and harvested in September-October. Major Kharif crops include rice, maize, jawar, bajra, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Rabi season crops are sown in October-November winter and harvested in March-April spring. Major Rabi crops includes wheat, barley, mustard, gram, peas and linseed. And Zaid season is a short summer crop season between Rabi and Kharif, March to June, famous for watermelon, muskmelon and cucumber. Very important details, you have to remember this. 11. Who is globally recognized as the father of the Green Revolution in India for introducing high-yielding wheat varieties? Option number C. M.S. Swaminathan. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan spearheaded the introduction of high-yielding varieties (HYV) of seeds in India during the late 1960s. Dr. Norman Borlaug is known as the father of the global green revolution for breeding semi-dwarf wheat strains in Mexico. Varghese Kurian is known as the father of the white revolution, Operation Flood in India, transforming dairy production. And high-yielding variety seeds required heavy chemical fertilizers, expansion of canal tube, well irrigation and chemical pesticides. And the initial phase of the green revolution was concentrated in Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. Over to the next question. 12. Which combination of crops experienced the most dramatic growth in yield during the green revolution? Option number D. Wheat and rice. Wheat recorded the most explosive increase in per hectare yield and overall production, making the transformation a wheat revolution. Rice was the second major beneficiary crop, significantly improving food grain security across northern and southern India. Pulses and oilseeds remained largely untouched during the early green revolution, leading to persistent self deficit and not important. And second green revolution, evergreen revolution, focuses on sustainable agriculture, pulse production and northeastern states. 13. Which state is the leading producer of rice in India, accounting for the highest contribution to national production? Option number A. West Bengal. West Bengal ranks first in rice production in India, benefiting from variable fertile deltaic alluvial soil and abundant monsoon rain. Farmers in West Bengal grow 3 crops of rice in a year, locally known as Aush, Aman and Boro. Punjab records the highest per hectare yield productivity of rice in India due to near 100% irrigation coverage. Rice requires high temperatures above 25% degrees Celsius, high humidity and annual rainfall above 100 semi. International Rice Research Institute located in Los Banos, Philippines, while National Rice Research Institute is in Cuttack, Odisha. 14. Which major food grain crop requires a cool growing season, bright sunshine at ripening and 50 to 75 semi of annual rainfall? Option number B. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important food grain crop in India, cultivated as a primary Rabi crop. Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of wheat in India, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Wheat requires 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius temperature during growth and 21 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius bright sunny weather during harvest. Frost at the time of flowering and heavy rains near harvest causes severe damage to wheat standing crops. Central zone and northwestern plain zone are the major wheat producing belts of India. Question number 15. Jute cultivation in India is heavily concentrated in Bengal Delta region. It is widely known by which title? Option number C. Golden fiber. Jute is known as the golden fiber due to its natural silky gold color and high economic exports value. West Bengal produces over 70 to 80% of India's total jute output, centered along the Hooghly River basin. Jute requires high temperatures, heavy rainfall and fertile Khadar alluvial soil. Retching is a biological process where harvested jute stalks and submerged in clean stagnant water to separate fibers from the stem. Synthetic packaging materials pose the largest market challenges to the traditional jute industry. Not important this. Yeah. 16. Cotton cultivation requires high temperature, light rainfall, black soil, and how many minimum frost-free days? Option number D, 210 frost-free days. Cotton requires a minimum of 210 frost-free days and bright warm sunshine for optimal ball maturation and opening. Gujarat and Maharashtra are the top two cotton producing states in India. Cotton is a kharif crop that matures in 6 to 8 months, classified into short, medium and long staple Egyptian and American types. BT cotton is generally modified pest resistance plant cotton variety widely cultivated across India. Cotton ginning is the process of separating raw cotton fibers from the harvested seed. Next, which state is the largest producer of groundnut in India, accounting for a major portion of total production? Option number A, Gujarat. Gujarat ranks first in groundnut production in India, with the Saurashtra region forming the core growing belt. Groundnut accounts for roughly 45% of total oilseed production in India, grown predominantly as a kharif crop. Groundnut is a leguminous oilseed crop that fixes atmospheric nitrogen, improving soil health. It requires 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius temperature and well-drained sandy loam or red soils. National Research Center for Groundnut is located in Junagadh, Gujarat. 18. Among oilseeds crops, which single crop accounts for the largest share in total national oilseeds production? Option number B, soybean. Soybean has emerged as the leading oilseed crop in India in terms of both area under cultivation and total production tonnage. Madhya Pradesh is the premier producer of soybean in India, earning the title soy state. Soybean is a major kharif crop containing roughly 40% protein and 20% oil content. Rapeseeds and mustard are major rabi oilseeds crops heavily cultivated in Rajasthan, Haryana and UP. Yellow Revolution refers to the government initiative aimed at boosting domestic edible oilseeds production. So Yellow Revolution is related to the oilseeds production. Question number 19. Pulses are an integral part of sustainable crop rotation systems in India, primarily because of which biological trait? Option number C, nitrogen fixation in soil. Pulses are leguminous plants whose root nodule contains rhizobium bacteria that fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Except for arhar or pigeon pea, almost all pulses crops helps restore natural soil fertility without heavy chemical fertilizers. Pulses serves as the primary source of vegetable protein for a majority of the Indian population. Pulses requires less moisture and can survive in dry rain-fed farming condition. Major pulses grown in India include gram, chickpea, tur, arhar, urad, mung and masoor. 20. And the last question. Which state is the largest producer of pulses in India, contributing the highest share to national output? Option number D, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh ranks first in total pulse production in India, followed by Rajasthan and Maharashtra. India is the world's largest producer, consumer and importer of pulse crops. Gram is the single most important pulse crops in India, accounting for over 40% of the total pulse production. Pulses are grown in both Kharif, Tur, Urad, Mung and Rabi, Gram, Masoor cropping seasons. National Food Security Mission NFSM pulses was launched to bridge the gap between the demand and domestic supply. So That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.